Welcome. So we want to explain to you as you are growing, as you're stretching, as you are evolving to the next stage of who you are. Sometimes you feel like you're missing certain puzzle pieces. Maybe you're thinking, something is missing in my relationship. It could be better. Maybe something is missing in my work. Maybe my employees could do better. And what can I do to motivate them? And maybe there's some things in my relationship I can transform even more. So there are things in your life you're currently seeking. Maybe you also want to improve your health. So that list goes on and on. But you're wondering, should I read a book? Should I take a course? Should I hire a specialist, a therapist? You see, you have the answers within yourself. And if you tap into what is called the Akashic Library, then the answers are just right in front of you. You don't have to go anywhere else to seek that answer. So some people will say, yeah, but what is that? And how can I do that? Well, the ability to channel the answers from the Akashic Library is innate within you. It means that just like cooking, you don't have to be a Michelin star chef, but everyone can learn to make an omelet. The ability is there as long as you're open and you're willing. Because you have free will. The universe is not going to force the answer upon you. And if you don't want your next $10 million, the universe says no problem. We don't have to give it to you. Okay. But if you want to transform your life and really upgrade to that next level of consciousness, then yes, the ability to channel is within you, and the ability to access the Akashic records is innate. It means this is your birthright. You have a right to your own information. You have a right to your own answer. We say, we're inviting you to come and join us. And we want to offer you this key so you can put it inside and turn it and open that door. Because once you open that door, you will be able to receive all the answers to your life's most challenging questions. And when you're able to resolve your life with an ease and grace and happiness, you're going to have an extraordinary and a magical life. And this is what the universe wants for you, as long as this is what you want for yourself. Okay, so this is not hard. And if you're already a good student, you're a high achieving individual, and you know how to create a life that you want, and you're striving for it and striving for more success, we say this one tool is going to make it a lot simpler, and it's going to make it a lot faster, and it's going to make it a lot funner. And who wouldn't want to have more joy in their life? So you have to understand, it's kind of like going to do some Google search, except the answer in the Google is not specific to you, correct? So the answer that you're speaking needs to be specific to you, and the answers in the Akashic Library are really, really specific to you because it pertains to your life, whether it's in this lifetime or in another lifetime. We see this is not difficult with a little bit of practice. It's kind of like you've never learned how to go to the library to do some research. The first time might be a little bit overwhelming, but after a while it gets easier and easier and easier. And so the more you visit this virtual library, which is within your own consciousness, then we say you're going to begin to transform your life into a magical one, into a really fun one, into something that you've always dreamed of, and it's going to be beyond your wildest dream. Because you see, you only think you want a certain thing, right? You're depending on your mind, but actually what the Akashic Library can give you is so much more. It can give you visions that are so grand, that will allow you to absolutely achieve your greatest potential in this lifetime. And wouldn't be that so amazing? We want you to access that. We want you to have the answers. We want you to have an amazing life. And so we invite you to join us on this class, because we are simply here. We say, here's the key. Just take it. Take this key. And if you take this key, you'll be able to open a door. We're waiting for you on the other side of the door. And with that, we complete for now. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoy that. And just like the guide said, if you're open, you're willing, please do join us in this Channeling the Akashic Records course. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the inside.